They call it the land of 1,000 lakes, but in truth, there are over 180,000 of them. A country where silence has sound and nature feels infinite. This is Finland, where the sun refuses to set in summer and the northern lights dance in winter. Welcome to TravelFlix. Let's begin our journey through the world's happiest country. Finland sits quietly in northern Europe, bordered by Sweden, Norway, and Russia, yet fiercely its own. It's a country of contrast. Ancient forests beside futuristic cities, icy winters followed by endless sunlight. Here people don't rush, they breathe with nature. Happiness in Finland isn't about luxury, it's about balance. Sauna after work, silence in the forest, coffee with friends. Finns have a word, sisu. It means inner strength, resilience, the quiet courage to keep going. It's not shouted, it's lived. Nearly 75% of Finland is covered by forest, the most in Europe. You can wander for hours without hearing a car or seeing a fence. Every man's right, jokamiehenoikeus, allows anyone to roam, camp, and pick berries freely. Nature isn't a weekend escape here. It's a way of life. Each season transforms Finland into a new world. In winter, the north becomes a frozen dream, reindeer, huskies, and shimmering auroras. Spring melts into endless summer when the midnight sun glows all night long. And in autumn, forests explode into gold and crimson, nature's grand finale before the snow returns. But Finland isn't just wilderness. Its cities pulse with creativity. In Helsinki, modern design blends with seaside calm. In Turku, history whispers from medieval walls. And in Vaasa, innovation meets the ocean wind. Every city carries the same quiet rhythm, modern yet deeply human. To understand Finland is to slow down. Sit by a lake, watch the mist rise, listen to the forest breathe. You'll find peace, not because nothing happens here, but because everything does quietly. This is Finland, raw, calm, and endlessly beautiful. In the next episode, we'll explore Helsinki, where Nordic design meets sea breeze. Subscribe to TravelFlix, and let's keep discovering the world together.